My name is Lameki Masumbuko Machol. I am the citizen of the United Republic of Tanzania. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Animal Science. Currently, I am working as the livestock officer in the government institution in my country, in Tanzania. I have chosen to do my further study of master degree in Indonesia through the KMB scholarship opportunity. And the reason why I have chosen Indonesia, the country of my further study, is because Indonesia is one among of the country that provide the best education and quality education, especially in scientific based studies. And also Indonesia have the program of KMB scholarship that provide opportunities to international students so that they can study in Indonesian university. Me, as one of the East African community students, I have chosen this opportunity of KMB scholarship so that I can study in the Indonesian university, as there is many university with program that are strongly relating to my program of animal science. So, and also I have chosen the on-campus studying program. The reason why I have chosen this program, I just want to get a direct contact with my professor. And also, I just want to have an opportunity to meet my research supervisor so that we can share the knowledge and skills. And also, through this Indonesian program, it's going to equip me with a knowledge in the program of animal science, with knowledge and skill. Therefore, even when I come back to my country, this program is going to equip me with a knowledge that is applicable in my country. As nowadays in the country, we have a shortage of livestock specialists, especially the animal scientists. And that's why the farmers in the country, they are facing challenge of poor production and losses in their farm. So this challenge, I'm sure it's going to be the end in the country, as when I come back in the country from the Indonesian. And therefore, I am very excited before this program of KMB scholarship, and I hope the best to my country. And I can see the country in the coming years going to meet the international standard of production, as the production in livestock sector is going to be improved. So I'm very happy and I'm very glad to this opportunity, and thank you so much. I hope the best. Thank you so much.